Hi guys, it's time to collect the egg because we're gonna be rich.
Hey guys, feeding the chicken is always the first thing in my morning to-do list. So they're probably already clucking, waiting for breakfast. And today I've got super healthy meal prepared for my chickens. So first time ako sila pagkaon niya tinadtad sa panisaging, kangkong, mulberry leaves, and kamunggay. Then after na ako og tadtad, gisagulan na ako commercial feeds nga ako napalit yesterday. So dili ra man po sila daghan, pero naplano ko pohon nga ako rin silang dugangan para more chickens, more eggs gid among makollect every day.
It's time to collect the eggs.